Good morning. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Uncle Tony coming at you from Charlotte, North Carolina. It's Monday morning. Here goes the Good House Mobile, looking great. I gave her a bath. Looking good. All right, well, we're here to start our full sand and refinish. Some beautiful solid hardwood floors. We're in a beautiful neighborhood down here in Ballantyne, North Carolina. But we're here to get this floor sanded, refinished, new shoe molding. We're doing the whole downstairs and the flight of stairs. And we're gonna go back with the same color. So let me take you inside. I'll show you what we're up against. All right, here we go. Some beautiful floors we're gonna bring back to life. Got young Jay draping over the TV, some plastic. We're gonna be doing these two steps here only. These little pie steps. We got our Bona Power Drive going. Set her up for 220. As close as we can get her. And so this sunken living room, we're gonna go back to same color. We're gonna make this nosing darker. She wants it to look the same again. So a different color stain along this whole nosing. Same thing on this side. Then we're doing this whole kitchen area. All new shoe molding. We'll be doing this dining room, office. I don't know what the heck that was, but we'll figure that out. And we're doing this entranceway and this full flight of stairs going up. No railings, that's staying the same. And then this half bath right here. So stick around, I'll come back and show you some progress and I'll show you the final results. Welcome to day 2. We got everything rough cut. We got a bunch of edging to do. Then work our way up in sequence. Finish everything as far as sanding today. Get the stairs stained. We should be rock and rolling. So stick around. Got this bathroom. Everything's looking good. Welcome to day 3. We got everything worked up in grit. Corners are pulled. We just have some final sanding to do. We've got this little hallway here, front entrance, left for edging, corners. Stairs just need the final pass. That's gonna be it. We're about to get some stain down today and hopefully the first coat. It's turning out fantastic. Oh, we got a buff yet too. We got a few things to do before we get the stain down. Hopefully by lunchtime we'll get some stain on the floor. Alrighty, stick around. Alrighty, so we're doing this. Nosing's a different color, as you can see. And young RJ is doing a beautiful job. Look how handsome he is. And then we're gonna do everything else. What color we do?
Early.
Early American, and that's Jocko Bean going there. Alrighty, stick around. We'll come back and show you some results. It's going on that nosing and this nosing here. Just so it shows the transition so nobody falls. It's a good idea. Yeah, laying down the stain. Beautiful color. Looking fantastic. Alright, there goes the easy prime going down. Look how good that looks. Alrighty guys, take a look at this. This is day 4. We got the sealer down yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and put down the first coat with poly and then install the shoe molding. But look how good this looks. Man, this looks great. Alrighty guys, we are applying the last coat and feast your eyes on this. Of course, we're going with low but duo. Alrighty guys, here is the finished product. Look how beautiful this job turned out. This is a satin finish. Beautiful, beautiful transformation. That's gonna do it for this project. On to the next one. It's 4th of July weekend. We'll be off for the weekend. And back at it on Monday. We start a new one. So stick around. Subscribe to our channel. And once again, as always, thanks for watching.